Welcome to Compile Lab. Today I'm going to do my lab experiment number 10. So the aim of the experiment is to generate an intermediate code generation. So we have to write a program for which it takes the input from the user, the arithmetic expression, and produces a 3 addresses code which is done by the intermediate code generation. So we have to stimulate the part of the intermediate code generation. So for example, if we have given the input as a plus b minus c minus d, so the output should be t1 is equals to a plus b, that is 3 operands should be there, so that is 3 address code. Then t2 is equals to b minus c, and t3 is equals to c minus d, t2 minus d. So as this way we have to generate the particular output. So this was the aim of my experiment, and the given program is written in Java. So initially I'm importing the package compiler10. I've created it in a package known as compiler10. Then I'm importing the Java input output package for input output application. Initially I'm making the order precedence. So for if example it's a plus b minus c divided by d plus e. So the first precedence will be given to division, then multiplication, then addition and subtraction. Accordingly 1122 has been given it in the array, the same value, and we have made a static character array named precedence. Now this is a pass static int function in which I am checking the precedence. So in this simply I am running the loop till the length of the precedence array, and I am checking if the token is equal to the first array or second array accordingly. In the next thing I have initialized few variables and have taken initial opcode 0 and defined a variable token and boolean check process. Now check process is a boolean type of character and initialized few variables as well. So in this I will take the input. In this buffer I will take the input whichever is given by the user. So initially I am taking the expression as an input from the user and storing it into expr. Now boolean variable which I have which I have made check process boolean array I would say. So the check process will be equal to new variable expression.length. So whatever is the length of my expression will be stored at a check process in a boolean type of data type. Now I will run a for loop till the length of my expression, and I will check the precedence, not the precedence but a plus b. So a plus b plus c, in this order I will generate it, I will keep it. So till the expression length I will run a loop, and at every array char at I, every index I will check if precedence not in till the precedence dot length, that is the length of my precedence array. I will check if any of the token is in this array is equal to token I or plus plus, and I will, if I am getting it, I will increment the op count. In this part of my code I am sorting it, and I am using bubble sort to sort it so that the precedence is sorted and the output is generated. So in this, as you can see, I am checking if check process operator is greater than operator first j, then j plus 1. So I am storing it to the variable temp, and this particular I am storing it to another variable, and then I am swapping it temp and operator variable, and then I am printing it. Now in this part of my code I am when I have got the precedence I am arranging it accordingly. So as you can see, if it I minus 1 is equal to I0, that is when the previous index is equal to the forward index, then I will generate output 1, that is t1, and the t plus I, that will be the index variable, the index number of my array, and t1 t2 accordingly, and x plus 1 accordingly it will be generated until the j minus 1, that is the end of the array. Now in the end I am checking if the check process, that is the area, the boolean character type of my expression is equal to true, and I am running a for loop up till the op count. I am checking if j plus 2, that is the another index of my array, is equal to any of the particular operator. I will keep that as also a t the expression. So in the end, this is the else part. If it's not equal, I will print this is the number of inputs and all the given variable. So this is the output of my program. So initially I'm asking the expression from the user, a plus b star c divided by d. So then a plus b will be stored in t1, b star c will be stored in t2 t1 slash d, and t3 will be equal to t a plus 1 t1. So as you can see, according to the precedence, first I'm storing b star c into t1, then comes the bracket, then comes the division. So I'm storing, after this I'm moving towards this and storing t2 is equal to t1 divided by d, and in the end I am, which is the least preference, that is addition, I am adding t3 but with this expression, that is t1. So according to the precedence, the sorting is also done and the particular code is broken into 3 address code. So this is the function of intermediate code generation, and this is the desired output of my program. Thanks for watching.